Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longze machine. Today I give you an introduction about our outdoor home use rocket stove. As you can see, this is the working stove right now, and this stove can be used in a home or outside, and you can use any kind of material. For example, like the wood blocks, wood slab, wood chips, and pellet, any kinds of a pellet. This stove, the self weight is 14 kilograms, and it also with an fan blower. And when you start this stove working, it works together with an electric battery. It's okay. It's very convenient to use. And this is the part we use outside. It can prevent the wind, and if you use it in a home, it can prevent the smoke leakage. And you can use this stove for cooking, for room heating, and it's you can see that this stove is very efficient working. And over here on the fan blower, we also have an adjusted button to control the speed of fan blower to make the fire flame smaller or bigger. Now this is the smaller fire flame condition, and we increase the fan blower speed, and you can get an big fire. And at the beginning of this year 2026, we give a promotion cost for our rocket stove. And with this unit of rocket stove, the price right now, EXW price is only $50. If you like Longze brand rocket stove, please send your inquiry to our team. That's all for today's introduction. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.